Hey guys, it has been a long time that I made a video. So for you, I brought a video. As you have seen the thumbnail and the title, in this video I'm gonna tell you about the National Autism Awareness Month. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, many of you are thinking that what is the meaning of autism? So let me tell you the meaning of autism. Autism means a serious developmental disorder that impairs the ability to communicate and interact. This means that a person who is suffering from autism, he cannot communicate and interact with people as normal as anyone. So guys, now I'm going to talk about the origin of Autism Society. In 1970, the Autism Society launched an ongoing nationwide effort to promote autism awareness and assure that all affected by autism are able to achieve the highest quality of life possible. In 1972, the Autism Society launched the first annual National Autistic Children's Week, which evolved in Autism Acceptance Month (AAM). This April, they continue their efforts to spread awareness, promote acceptance, and ignite change. Now I'm going to tell of the Autism Society of America. The Autism Society of America, the nation's oldest leading grassroots autism organization, is proud to celebrate Autism Acceptance Month in April 2021 with its Celebrate Differences campaign, designed to build a better awareness of signs, symptoms, and realities of autism. Hashtag Celebrate Differences focus on providing information and resources for communities to be more aware of autism, promote acceptance, and be more inclusive in everyday life. Now I am going to tell about the prevalence of autism in United States. The Autism Society recognizes that the prevalence of autism in United States has risen from 1 in 125 children in 2010 to 1 in 54 in 2020. Recognizing this continued increase, the goal for AAM is further increase the awareness about autism, signs, symptoms, and opportunities through information and referrals, events, printable and digital sources, and community partnerships with businesses and organizations dedicated building inclusive experiences. The Autism Society has a variety of resources designed to inform and encourage communities to celebrate differences and become more inclusive of individuals with autism. The campaign will overlap with World Autism Awareness Day on April 2nd and continue throughout the month. So guys, now I am going to tell about the symptoms of autism. So if you have any of the symptoms, please consult a doctor first. The range and severity of symptoms can vary widely. Common symptoms include difficulty with communication, difficulty with social interactions, obsessive interests, and repetitive behaviors. So guys, now I am going to tell about the treatment of autism. Treatment consists of therapy, early recognition, as well as behavioral, educational, and family therapies may reduce symptoms and support development and learning. So that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Bye bye.